Hey, it's Eileen, and today I'm here to clean these Vans. I bought them at the Salvation Army for $6.99. They honestly don't even look worn, they just look a little bit dirty. So I'm going to try to clean them up and then give them to my niece. So I'm using this shoe cleaning product that I got on Amazon. I'll put the link for it below. Okay, so I'm going to scrub them down and put this on time lapse. Overall, it took me about 4 minutes per shoe, and I think this product is really cleaning them up nice. They really look like they were just thrown in a bin or something and got dirty. So I'm gonna wipe down all the cleaner and give them a final few scrubs. Overall, I'm super happy with the way they look, and I think my niece is really going to like them. Okay, here is our final shot. They look so good.